Welcome to DataStudio's comprehensive tutorial on Keypoint labeling, a pivotal component in the domain of computer vision. In this tutorial, we will explore the subtleties and precision of DataStudio's Keypoint labeling feature. Let's embark on a detailed hands-on walkthrough. Access our platform at datastudio.indicaai.com. Create a new project. Opt for a template tailored to computer vision applications and select Keypoint labeling template. Upload your dataset from either local storage or our integrated cloud solution. Now, upon completing the upload, start the annotation process by selecting an individual data item. Select the appropriate label and hover to your object that you want to label. Label the key points in your data. You can also delete any annotated point by selecting the desired point and clicking on the bin icon in the right plane. So I can annotate like this. The nose, it'll be like this. And to delete, you can click on this and click on the delete option here. Then you can click on submit. Conclude by exporting your annotated dataset in industry standard formats such as JSON by clicking export here. This demonstrates the efficiency of DataStudio's Keypoint labeling template. It is designed to enhance your AI-driven projects, offering a streamlined and efficient approach to computer vision. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly. Thank you.